Hello friends, welcome. Today I am drawing Bluey crying. Do you want to know why Bluey had tears on her face today? Can you guess? Was it because she lost her toy because Bingo ran ahead too fast, or because she felt a little left out? What do you think, friends? One gentle afternoon, Bluey sat under the tree. Her eyes felt heavy, her cheeks warm. A little tear rolled down. "Oh no," said Bingo softly. "Bluey, what's wrong?" "Children, can you touch your cheek, as if wiping a tiny tear?" Bluey whispered, "I wanted to play the game my way, but it didn't work." Bingo knelt beside her. "I'm sorry, I didn't listen." Bluey sniffled. "It made me sad." Friends, take a deep breath in and let it out slowly, just like Bluey calming down. Mom came outside with a kind smile. She sat close, wrapping her arms gently. "It's okay to cry, Bluey. Tears help the heart feel lighter." "Kids, can you hug yourself softly, warm and safe?" Dad peeked around the corner, carrying 2 cups of juice. "Maybe this will help." Bluey smiled a little, still wiping her eyes. Bingo clapped gently. "We can try again, Bluey. Let's make it fun together." Children, clap your hands slowly, clap, clap, clap. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Bluey looked at her family. She felt the sadness softening. "Will you dance with me, Bingo?" Bingo nodded. "Yes, a happy dance." Friends, can you stand and take 3 little steps side to side, like Bluey and Bingo moving together? They twirled slowly, giggling. Mom clapped in rhythm. Dad tapped his foot on the porch. The air felt lighter, the garden bright again. Bluey's tears dried, her eyes shining fresh. Bingo whispered, "I don't like it when you're sad." Bluey hugged her tightly. "Thanks for staying with me." Kids, open your arms wide, then squeeze close like giving a warm hug. The family sat together, sipping juice and watching the clouds drift. Mom pointed, "That one looks like a bunny." Dad laughed, "I see a dragon." Bluey giggled, "I see a lollipop." Children, look up and imagine a cloud. What shape do you see? The day ended soft and calm, with Bluey's heart full again. She realized tears can come and go, but love always stays. Wave goodbye now with Bluey, Bingo, Mom, and Dad smiling, cozy, and together.